Hi guys. Tried something new this time with subtracting fractions. It's a note sheet, and for those of you who like step-by-step instructions, this might work for you. Over here on the left-hand side, we have our learning intention of what we're supposed to be learning, which is to subtract fractions. And I've used this picture here as my model to go through the steps over here on the right-hand side, the subtracting fractions steps. And if you notice, the colors correspond to the different steps. So finding the least common multiple would be your first step. That's why it's green. Red is making the equivalent fractions, so the denominators are the same. That's indicated here in red over here. Then you subtract the numerators only, which is indicated in the purple. 16 take away 10 is 6. And then the last step is to simplify the fraction either by changing improper fractions to mixed numbers, using the GCF to divide fractions into simplest form, or checking and just making sure that it's all in simplest form. And then I put my final answer back in the original blip. Underneath that is kind of some ways to check off whether or not you're being successful. If you can check both of these things off over here in the success criteria, kind of mentally check them off, then you are ready to take a test on this particular skill. And here's some other questions that you might answer just to see like where you're at with your learning, whether you've totally got it, almost got that part of it, or you're just starting to learn that and you need to check out some more videos or practice some more. So this one is for subtracting fractions. And then if you scroll down, you have more with subtracting mixed numbers. And I followed the same exact format for this one. And I also want to just point out that for subtracting mixed numbers, I used the method of changing mixed numbers into improper fractions before subtracting, because I just felt like then you could repeat the same steps that you just learned for subtracting fractions, and it makes life a little bit more easy. If you learned a different way of doing it, you're welcome to use that too. And then same for the bottom. If you have followed all of the steps correctly, then you should be able to check off that you can do these things to successfully subtract mixed numbers. And then over here, using this side to kind of see where you're at to kind of understand, well, what do I need to learn more about? So I hope this is helpful. You can give me feedback in class and let me know if this is helpful or not helpful. And we'll go from there. All right, guys, have a great day.